guys, so today I'm gonna be unboxing Hairdorables. This is a present that came from my uncle from Switzerland. So let's get into unboxing this. Hairdorables. I've been wanting a Hairdorables for so long. And when I saw it like 6 a.m. in the morning, I was like, oh, okay. So, Hairdorables. I guess this is the tab. It's in a whole new language. Pull, trial, check. Okay, I can't read that. Okay. So I guess you have to rip that off. Okay. First piece off of it. What do we do now? I guess we pull this piece. Wait, it says open here. Okay, open here. Ooh, Hairdorables. Okay, this is what it's showing me. So I'm gonna box open number 1. This is pack. I have no clue what's in there. Number 2. Another pack. These packs are huge. Oh, number 3. Another pack. And this weird stand. Number 4. Another pack. Number 5. Grand finale, guys. Okay, you guys are... Ooh. Okay, there's our dog. Ooh, our dog has pink hair. Okay, guys, time for the reveal. You get to see her face before I do. What does she look like, guys? My eyes are completely closed. Oh my god, she's so cute. Her name is Willowson? Willowson? I guess? Aww, look at how cute her hair is. Okay, guys, like, okay. Is that all that comes in Hairdorables? I guess that's all that comes in it. So the pack is empty. I'm just gonna take a quick second and clean up all of this trash that we're not gonna be needing. Oh god, there's so much trash. Like, this place is a complete mess. Sorry guys, I'm very bad with my camera. Okay. Oh, stuff that all in there. Now we have, I actually want to keep this. Keep to the Willowson. Oh, look. Ooh, guys, this is the map. Okay, let's see who we got. We got Willowson. I don't know where Willowson is, guys. So her name is Willowson. I can't find her. Come on, really, where is it? Oh, I found her. Willowson is this girl right here, guys. That's Willowson. I guess we have to unbox her clothes now. Oh, she even has a strand of white hair. She reminds me of Ice Cream. Ice Cream Girl. Okay, let's open our first pack. How do they always make these things impossible to open? Okay, guys, we're actually gonna have to go get some scissors because they always make those packs basically impossible. Ooh, I found some scissors. Scissors. Be careful with them. Don't cut yourself. Scissors. Okay. Oh. No one play that in slow-mo. Okay. let's open the first pack. Ooh, look, there's a sticker picture of Willowson. Cute. And what's inside? Oh, guys, look at this. I have no clue what it is, actually. What is this? Oh, it's a dress. It's a dress with her fairy wings. So cute. It's actually really cute. Can you get in there? Get in there. Okay, next pack. Oh, I just cut straight through it. I didn't. Okay, first there's this thing, which I guess goes on the stand, right? They're both the same color. Ooh, okay. So it goes on the stand. Second thing, we got another picture of someone else. Oh, and we have a little extension clip. So it's an extension clip, and I'm gonna free it from this stuff because I don't think that's supposed to do anything. Okay, so she has a purple extension clip. Pretty cute. They tangled this thing so badly. Okay, so this is her extension clip. Okay, here it is. This is her extension clip. I think you're supposed to cut this line off, but I don't really know, so. Oh, they're even on YouTube? I never knew that. Okay, get in there. I'm also putting the stickers there and the stand in here. This is basically a ginormous mess. Now put all the plastic in here. I think I know why they make it so big, so you can just store your trash in there, right? Okay. Which one do I want? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Father has a donkey. Father cries when he lies. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So I'm unboxing this one. Oh, I hope I didn't cut through the sticker. Okay, guys, I hope I didn't cut through the sticker. Oh, if I didn't. What's this, guys? Oh, another sticker. Oh, some music notes in our clover. It isn't any. Ooh, she got some shoes. These are Willowson's shoes. Nothing else in here. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Last pack, but not least. Ooh, this one is hard. I'm gonna cut it like the very top. Oh my god, this thing's so big I can barely even cut it open. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to cut from here. I'm gonna cut it in like a line so I get. What is this? Oh guys, look, it's a guitar. Oh no, it's a hair straightener that looks like a guitar. Guys, so it's a hair straightener that looks like a guitar. Cool. There should be a sticker in here, right? What? Did they really not give us another sticker? Okay, piece of trash. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dump this out. So we have all of her accessory pieces here. And let's get Willowson dressed. So she's just wearing a nice little bathing suit. She's really, really cute. I love her blue eyes, guys. Like, so cool. Okay, so first we're gonna put on her shoes. Nah. Okay, so first we're gonna put on this dress. Oh, you have the Velcro. I thought I had to like smuggle it on there. Okay, putting on Willowson's dress. She has like so much hair. Why, Willowson? Why do you have so much hair? I know you're called a Hairdorables, but it's making your outfit impossible to get on. Okay, I finally got it on. Now, close up the back. Wish there was a hairband to tie all this hair. Okay. This goes there, that goes there. Now, this is Wilson's outfit. Pretty cute. How do we even attach Wilson to this? Oh, look. She's supposed to fly. Wilson believes she can fly. I don't know how to pronounce her name. Is it Willowson or Willon? I think it's Willow. I think it's Willon. Is it Willowson or Willon? Let me know in the comments down below. It's already 10 minutes. Sheesh. Okay. Next, we got her shoes. Get on. Oh my god. We get in there. These, like, what are these actually? Okay. Can I even find? Oh my god. Okay, I think it goes on this way. Right, guys? I have no clue which way it goes on. Okay, so just telling you, the one shoe was impossible to put on. Time to put on the other one. Oh, this thing's so hard to put on. Okay. Oh my god. I'm literally gonna give up on these shoes right now. Okay, there we go. Go. I got it. Okay. Now, I guess I don't know what to do with this. So, because last time I think it's because you have to cut off that hair. But I don't think that's what it's for. So, whatever. So this is Willowson. I'll give you a little spin of her, but don't worry. I need to find out how you put Willowson on the stand. So her legs go in here. Okay, wait guys. How do you put Willowson on the stand? So the only thing I know is that her legs go in these little corners. That's all I know. Oh, I found it. I got it. But it's very inappropriate. Okay, I got it here, guys. Okay, I got Willowson to stand. Now I'm just gonna clear all of this trash. That'll go in the trash. It's basically your own mini trash box. Go ahead, John. Let me see if I can find Willowson here. So, guys, I think this girl is Willowson. This girl right here, sorry. This girl. That's why I think they gave it to us as a sticker. I think Willowson is obsessed with flowers. So here's Willowson. There's Willowson. So I think Willowson's a really nice dog. Willowson, say hi. Hi guys. This is Sophia's channel. I know, right? It's like the best channel ever. Just kidding. But Willowson just wants to say something. What do you want to say, Willowson? I want to say that. Make sure you like and subscribe. So all of this goes in the trash. So guys, let me show you what accessories we got. So the extra things we have gotten are a few things. We have her name tag, which I've probably shown 100 times. Next, we have a little hair straightener, if I'm sure about that. I tried to straighten my own hair. It looks like a guitar, and another reason why you know she's really obsessed with nature, it even has a butterfly on it. Next we have a hair extension, which I think you're supposed to cut across this line, but I don't know. Next we have this sticker. Next we have this other sticker. Next we have another sticker. That's it. And that's all. And give me a second, guys. So that is it. And that is all for today. So here's Willowson. And Willowson, what do you say? Bye, guys. Peace.